Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish States. Chapter 16, Shloka 2. Harmlessness, truth, absence of anger, renunciation, peacefulness, absence of crookedness, compassion to beings, non-covetousness, gentleness, modesty, absence of fickleness.
Chapter 16, Shloka 2. Ahimsa satyamakrodas tyagashantir apaishunam daya bhuteshvaloluptvam mardavam hrir achapalam.
Chapter 16, Shloka 2. Moreover, here are listed the mental contents of the godly. Harmlessness, ahimsa. Physical ahimsa is simply impossible. It is not causing injury to any living creature in the world around from the realm of thought. If our motives are pure and clean, and physical harm caused is not regarded as causing injury. Truth, it is straightforwardness, unity in thought, speech and action, and even temper. Akrodh does not mean without anger, but only keeping as far as possible an even temper. It is impossible for mind not to be angry, but the emotion of anger should not be allowed to overwhelm us. Spirit of renunciation, tyaga. It is the capacity which helps us to maintain an even temper. Quietude, shanti. It is a state of the mind developed as a result of the above values, keeping an inward balance and intellectual poise in the midst of unfavorable circumstances. Unmalicious tongue, apaishunam. Our personality expressed through the tongue, development of an inward harmony that the speech should echo the fragrance of the soul. A speech with softness of tone, clarity of expression, honesty of conviction, without any veiled meaning, full of devotion and love, becomes the training for disciplining the inner equipments. Tenderness towards beings. There are imperfections around. To recognize in and through those imperfections the infinite beauty of life expressed is the enduring tenderness of the perfect one. Love alone can discover an infinite amount of tenderness in us. Non-covetousness, aloluptvam. In the subjective life, to live without covetousness means controlling our sense organs from excessive indulgence in sense enjoyments. Gentleness and modesty. This is the resultant beauty and harmony which an individual brings forth in the fragrance of his culture, in his contact with the world outside. not unnecessarily moving the limbs, a chapalam, restlessness of mind and unsteadiness of character are reflected in the physical movement of the person. As an individual grows, the beauty in him is his mastery over himself as declared by his movements. Economizing energy dissipation by avoiding such movements is to cure many simple weaknesses at the various facets of any given personality. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.